This is Jamni Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna see how to make hover effects on a card. Yes, now what exactly this is, what are we gonna do? Is this same like the previous one? No, this is little bit different. Whenever somebody will hover on the image, it will slide down one text or information about it. How beneficial is this for your website? Whenever the user visits your website, it gives them smooth experiences. Whenever they scroll through it, they see how interactive the things are, how interactive elements in your website are. They stay in your website for longer period of time, and in this way your SEO ranking of your website increases as well. So that is a great thing, my friends. So let's get started how to do this amazing thing. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. And with the introduction part, now let's quickly jump into the code. So here I have my basic HTML boilerplate ready, and we will put one class whose name will be container, and inside that class we will write one more class whose name is card, and inside that card we will write one more class whose name will be image box, and inside that box we will have our image. Now after that image box we will write one more div whose class name will be content. Okay, now as I said that in this hover effect, what exactly we gonna do? Whenever somebody will hover on that image or the card, we want that text to slide in, which is behind that image, right? So for that purpose we have to write the content as well. So whatever information you want to add, you can add it here. I am writing flower in H2, and then in the P tab So my friends, we are done with the HTML part. Now let's quickly jump into the CSS code. So as usual, we will write our margin and padding as 0 and font family as sans serif. Then we will target our body, and there we will say as display flex, justify content center, align item center, and background as white, or any background you can give to it. Then I'm gonna target my container, and there I will write position as absolute, left 50%, top 50%, transform, translate 35% from x-axis, 50% from y-axis. Now why I have done this? Because I want to center it in the middle, but it was not properly in the middle using -50% and -50% from x and y axis. That is why I have to adjust a little bit because of the size of that image. Okay, now you can adjust it according to your size of image as well. Alright, now let's see what to do next. Now we have to target our container card. Okay, there we will write position as relative, because we don't want to remove it from entirely. Just move it up, but not actually leave its place. That is why we will say as position relative. Image box should be also relative. Here we are giving it transition for a smooth effect. And now we will say that somebody will hover on the card. What should happen? Its height should increase, right? Whenever its height will increase, it will show that effect of something is sliding down. And we will style our image box a little bit. And also our image. Now we will style our text to ensure that it is sliding in properly. So my friends, we are done with the CSS part, and this is how our card looks. I found it really stunning and cool, and if you are adding similarly to your website, I am sure that your visitors would be definitely impressed with this smooth transitioning card. And let me know in the comments if you have any doubt about this or any concepts of the CSS you want me to cover in the future videos, and I will be glad to answer to all of your doubts. Don't hesitate to reach out to me, and also have a great day, and please practice your projects. You won't be a developer just by watching tutorials. Kind request, guys. So yeah, bye bye, have a great evening.